all the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players.
William Shakespeare, the world's greatest playwright, creator of unforgettable characters like Hamlet and Othello, Romeo and Juliet, Falstaff, Cordelia and King Lear. His work unites us all. Infinitely adaptable, his plays are performed all over the globe. They have inspired and entertained people everywhere for 400 years. As friend and fellow playwright Ben Jonson said, he was not of an age, but for all time. This year, Elysium Theatre Company, supported by Durham County Council, Durham University and North East BIC, will be launching Shakespeare for All, a new initiative to bring Shakespeare into schools, universities and communities across County Durham. We'll be offering a whole range of activities, live and online, to enhance your experience of Shakespeare. From interactive workshops and Q&As to one-on-one tuition, all tailored for primary and secondary schools, higher education and the general public. If you're interested in getting involved with Shakespeare or seeing him live, then we'll be offering work experience opportunities and training as we tour his plays as part of the second Durham Shakespeare Festival later this year. Here's a roundup of what we'll be offering you over the coming months. Live interactive workshops, Q&As, and talks on all the key set texts by Shakespeare, Macbeth, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, The Tempest, A Midsummer Night's Dream and more. We'll help you explore characters and themes, everything from the overall world of the play right down to individual scenes. We'll explore love, magic, comedy, tragedy, kingship, race, gender and every other key issue that appears in Shakespeare.
I am fire and air. My other elements I give to baser life.
Learn more about Shakespeare in performance. We'll help you unlock his language so you can understand and speak it with ease. Find out about Shakespeare's stagecraft, how scenes like the witches in Macbeth or the sword fights in Romeo and Juliet work on stage. Discover more about the historical background of Shakespeare's plays and how the events of his time informed what he wrote. Live workshops and courses to help you respond to and be creative with Shakespeare. Ever wanted to act Shakespeare? We'll show you how. Ever wanted to design costumes for Shakespeare or imagine his worlds? We'll help you find out about design and express your ideas about his work through art and graphics. Ever wanted to write like Shakespeare?
Petition catch my soul, but I do love thee. And when I love thee not, chaos is come again.
We'll show you how he had his ideas, created characters, built a story. We'll also provide online events and resources, including interactive workshops, scene studies, talks and Q&As. You'll be able to access these live or later when they've been archived on our website. We'll record podcasts, include interviews with famous actors, directors and academics. Some of these you can find now by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We'll offer a special program of revision workshops online during exam season, helping students improve their understanding of Shakespeare at GCSE and A-level. These will cover all the key set texts in every aspect. If you're interested in one-on-one tutorials on Shakespeare, either for study or performance, our workshop leaders will be ready to offer that too. If you're a teacher, actor or director who wants to improve their skills and understanding of Shakespeare, we can help you develop both in a fun, relaxed but professional atmosphere, either live or online. We can look at language, scene study, building character, exploring relationships, creating Shakespeare's worlds, and facilitating performance and workshops. All our services are open to primary and secondary schools, higher education, and the general public. All our workshop leaders are highly qualified and DBS checked. We can offer one-off workshops or extended programs, with each session being anything from a single hour to a whole day. In addition, we are offering a special discount to the first 15 schools who want to book a session with us. To find out more, including fees, terms and conditions, and how to book, contact Jake Murray or Amy Mitchell on elysiumtcengagement@gmail.com. To find out more about Elysium Theatre Company, look us up on www.elysiumtc.co.uk. We believe that Shakespeare is for all.